Good morning, friends. In this video, let us see how to learn multiplication tables beyond 9. In our childhood, generally, teachers are over ambitious and they ask us to learn all the tables up to 20. Even though we learn all the tables up to 20, they ask us to learn in reverse order. For example, 20 20s are 400, 29s are 19s are 380, 20 18s are 360, like that. In this way, they ask us to learn all the tables. But in my opinion, it is not necessary to learn all the tables up to 20. If we learn tables up to 9, it is sufficient. See, for example, if we know 7 table up to 9, we will get 7 9 63. We know 7 9s are 63. We can easily get 7 10s are 70 by simply adding 0. Or 63 plus 1 7, we add 1 7. 9 sevens, the next 10 sevens. See the next one, 7 11s. 7 11s means 1 7 is added to 10 sevens. That is 10 7 plus 1 7, 1 7, 77. 12 sevens. 12 sevens means 11 sevens plus 1 7, or 10 sevens plus 2 sevens. 10 sevens 70, 2 sevens are 14. So 84. In the same way, we learn the tables to any number, to the extent of any number we can learn. See, for example, we learn generally 7 19s. 7 19s. Generally we learn by heart. But when we actually calculate 7 19s, we do not remember 7 19s like that. So how do we calculate 7 9s plus 7? 19 means 10 plus 9, we know. 7 9s plus 7 10s. 7 plus 70, 7 10s 70, and 7 9s are 63. 70 plus 63, 133. Right? So we do not remember all these tables with a lot of effort. See, 23 into 7 or 7 into 23. 7 23s. We do not learn by heart 7 23s. How do we calculate? 7 20s and 7 3s. 7 20s and 7 3s. 7 20s 140 and 7 3s are 21. So 161. 161. In the same way, 735s. We do not learn 7 table up to 35 by heart. It is not possible. How do we calculate? 735. 730s plus 7 5s. 730s 210 and 7 5s 35. 245. In the same way, we calculate 7 105 sevens. 105 times 7. 105 times 7 means 700s plus 7 5s. 700s plus 7 5s. 735. In the same way, 96 times 7. 96 times 7. 790s. 790s. We do not be confused. See, 7 9s 63. 7 9s 63 means 7 90s are 630. 630 plus 42. 672. We can easily orally calculate these tables if we learn this secret. So learn this secret and know multiplication table to any extent without any effort. Thank you, students. If you enjoy this video, share it, like it, subscribe it, and don't forget to touch the bell icon.